You've probably heard that affiliate marketing is dead, that you're too late to the party, it's oversaturated, it's way too complex, and the good old days are long gone. What if I told you that's all wrong? What if the real problem isn't the opportunity, but the map you're using? The internet's changed, the tools have gotten smarter, and the strategies that worked 5 years ago are the exact things holding most people back today. Anyone saying affiliate marketing is dead is just stuck in the past, using old, broken methods. But for you, for the person who's ready to adapt, this is the biggest opportunity on the table right now. In the next few minutes, I'm handing you the updated 2025 Affiliate Marketing Blueprint. And it's so simple that you can have your first affiliate link live and ready to earn by the time this video is over. And you can do it with zero experience, zero followers, and not a single dollar out of your pocket. So forget everything you think you know. This is affiliate marketing made easy. All right, let's just clear the air. All affiliate marketing is earning a commission for promoting another company's stuff. You share a special link, someone buys something through it, and you get paid. That's it. It's so popular because you don't have to create products, handle inventory, or deal with shipping. You're just the trusted friend making a recommendation. The old way was to spam those links everywhere, build a clunky website, stuff it with keywords, and pray. That game is completely over. In 2025, the name of the game isn't selling, it's recommending. It's about building genuine trust with an audience, even a small one, and pointing them to solutions you actually believe in. The model has shifted from pushy ads to authentic influence. And that's amazing news for you, because you don't need a huge budget. You just need to be trustworthy. This is the step that trips up 90% of beginners, but it's way simpler than you think. A niche is just a specific topic or group of people you want to help. Stop trying to find the most profitable niche from some guru's list. The only niche that will work for you is one that checks 2 boxes. You're actually interested in it, and people are already spending money there. Your interest is non-negotiable. If you hate the topic, you'll burn out and quit. Obsessed with sustainable, eco-friendly products, that's a niche. Navigating the world of pet care for first-time dog owners, that's a niche. Love to find the best deals on tech gadgets, niche. Some of the biggest areas right now are health and wellness, personal finance, eco-friendly products, pet care, and AI tools. But the real secret is to get specific. Not just health, but at-home fitness for busy mums. Not just travel, but solo female travel in Southeast Asia. That specificity is your superpower. You do not need a fancy, expensive website to get started. In 2025, your platform can be a TikTok account, a YouTube channel, an Instagram page, or even a simple email newsletter. Just pick one platform and focus on mastering it. Think about where your audience is already hanging out. If your niche is visual, like fashion or home decor, Instagram and Pinterest are gold mines. If you're good at explaining things, YouTube is your best bet. But here's an insider tip. The fastest way to get traction right now is short-form video. We're talking TikToks, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. You can create a quick product review, a tutorial, or a day-in-the-life clip right from your phone. Don't overthink it. Just start where you're comfortable. You can always add more platforms later. The key is to stop debating and start creating. Okay, so you've got your niche and platform. Now you need products to promote. The easiest place for any beginner is a big affiliate network. Think of them as giant malls full of thousands of brands. The most popular is Amazon Associates. You can promote basically anything on their site, and everyone already trusts Amazon. Other incredible networks are Share a Sale, CJ Affiliate, formerly Commission Junction, and ClickBank, which is a powerhouse for digital products like courses and software. But when you choose a product, don't just stare at the commission rate. Your audience's trust is the most valuable thing you have. Promoting a crappy product for a high commission is the fastest way to lose that trust forever. Authenticity is your real currency here. Hey, real quick. If this is all starting to click and you're finding this helpful, do me a quick favor and hit that like and subscribe button. It tells the YouTube algorithm that you're getting value, which helps this video reach more people who are tired of being told affiliate marketing is complicated. Up next is how you can stand out from everyone else. This is the absolute heart of the 2025 blueprint. Your job isn't to be a walking billboard, it's to provide real value. The best content solves a problem, answers a question, or tells a compelling story. Here are some formats that crush it. Honest product reviews. Don't just read the features, talk about your real experience. Show the before and after. Share what you loved and yes, even what you didn't. Honesty builds trust. Best of lists. People love these. The 5 best laptops for college students in 2025, or my top 3 skincare products for dry skin. You're helping people make a decision. Tutorials and how-to guides show people how to actually use the product. If you're promoting a camera, make a video on how to shoot cinematic video with this camera. You're providing pure value. And here is a rule that is not negotiable. You absolutely must disclose that you're using affiliate links. A simple line like, "Heads up, this description contains affiliate links. If you make a purchase, I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you," is perfect. It keeps you compliant with FTC rules and, more importantly, it maintains the trust you've built. Everything we've covered will get you started. This next part will help you win. First, AI is your new best friend. You don't need to be an expert. Use tools like ChatGPT for brainstorming ideas or writing first drafts of scripts. There are incredible AI tools like Pictory or Dream Machine that can turn text into video, or tools like Jasper that are trained on writing marketing copy. These tools handle the grunt work so you can focus on being creative. Second, video is still king, but don't ignore other formats. Short-form video on TikTok and YouTube Shorts is where the massive reach is right now, and live shopping is exploding. But that doesn't mean blogs and email lists are dead. In many niches, a well-written article or a trusted newsletter is still incredibly powerful. The key is to use the format your audience prefers. Finally, get ready for the cookieless world. The way sales are tracked online is changing as third-party cookies disappear. This means you need to partner with modern affiliate networks like Impact or Partnerize that use more reliable first-party tracking methods. This ensures you get paid for every single sale you actually generate. All right, let's be real for a second. Is this a get-rich-quick scheme? Absolutely not. You are not going to make thousands of dollars overnight. This is a get-rich-right scheme. You're building a real, sustainable business that can serve you for years to come. There's a reason experienced affiliate marketers earn so much more than beginners. It's because they were consistent. They didn't quit after a few weeks. They kept learning, they kept creating, and they never stopped building trust. The money you make is just a reflection of the value you put out into the world. So focus on helping one person today, then 10, then 100. The income always follows the impact. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to start. So let's recap the simple 5-step blueprint for 2025. 1. Pick a niche you're genuinely into. 2. Choose one platform, preferably using short-form video, and own it. 3. Find products you trust on networks like Amazon Associates or Share a Sale. 4. Create content that actually helps people. And 5. Use AI and new trends to work smarter, not harder. The idea that affiliate marketing is oversaturated is a complete myth. The opportunity has never been bigger for people who are willing to be authentic, create real value, and use the amazing new tools we have, and you have the blueprint. The only thing left to do is to take that first step. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.